Hello everyone. Today we will talk about a CT-8A hybrid control function. This remote control has two different hybrid controls that can be set up. One way is to directly choose the direction of hybrid control. Another approach is programming hybrid control. First, how to set a direction mixing control. After turning on a remote control, enter the function interface. The first one in the hybrid control settings is the direction mixing control. After clicking on it, you can see that there are 4 types to choose from. Default is no hybrid control. Below are tank mode, ship mode D, ship mode R, and ship mode 3. Now let's operate it. The reaction of different hybrid controls on a servo system. This is just a demonstration. Everyone still needs to consider the actual situation. Let's first take a look at the reaction of a servo without activating the hybrid control. First, dial channel E to the bottom. You can see that the servo of channel E is also at the bottom. Move up, and the servo also moves up. Pull the trigger for channel R. You can see the servo turning forward. Channel R trigger pushed to the front. The servo rotates backwards. Then activate tank mode hybrid control. It will display successful settings, and the small car in the upper left corner will also turn into a tank. At this point, operation channel E rotates downwards. You can see the servo motors, one downwards and one upwards. Move channel E upwards, and it's the opposite of what happened just now. That is our differential steering. Then pull the trigger for channel R backwards. Both servos are facing upwards. Pull the trigger forward. Both servos are facing downwards. This is the correct setting. Then let's set our ship mode 1 again. It will prompt for successful setting. The icon in the upper left corner will also change from a tank to a ship. Rotate channel 1 downwards. You can see that only the direction mixing control is downward. No response from other channels. Rotate channel E upwards. Only the direction mixing control is upward. Now let's operate channel R. Turn the trigger back and the throttle servo up. No response from other servos. Move channel R forward. All servos are unresponsive. Indicates that the settings are correct. Next, set a hybrid control mode for ship mode 2. After setting the prompt correctly, operation channel E rotates downwards. The throttle servo rotates upwards. No response from other servos. Channel E up. Direction mixing control also up. No response from other servos. Pull the trigger of channel R backwards. You can see that the direction mixing control and throttle servo are both pointing upwards. Channel R trigger pulled forward. No response from all servos. Next, set bolt mode 3. After setting it correctly, it remains the same. Control channel E to rotate downwards. Accelerator servo up. No response from other servos. Operation channel E shows the direction mixing control going up. This is consistent with ship mode R. Let's operate channel R then and see what the difference is from ship mode R. We first control the throttle trigger backwards. You can see that both the steering and throttle servos are facing upwards. Pull the trigger for channel R forward. You can see that the direction mixing control and throttle servo are both downward. Now, let's talk about programming hybrid control. Still the same. Enter the programming hybrid control interface. There are channel A, B, and channel C, D options inside. Currently in a closed state. Programming hybrid control defaults A to channel 5. C is channel 6, B is channel 7, D is channel 8. I will now set both A, B, and C, D to the end state. First, let's test the programming in hybrid control of A, B. Press A. You can see channels 5 and 7. Next are C and D. Okay, it indicates that the setting was successful.